Good morning. Grateful for another beautiful day as always. Starting the day out with gratitude. We did have news this morning. We had the core PCE price index, and it basically stayed the same. Not sure what the markets are going to do, but we do have news at 10 a.m. We have the University of Michigan consumer sentiment, so we're going to be waiting until that news comes out. Let's dig into the charts. Right now, we do have some sort of bearish divergence on the 1 hour. What we're going to be doing is looking for shorts. I am going to be looking for shorts in the short term. That's the bearish divergence that I'm talking about. Right now, I'm expecting NQ to be the weaker ticker and to head down to an area of imbalance or an order block or maybe even external range liquidity depending, but I believe we are in a market maker buy model at the moment, so I think internal range liquidity is probably going to be best. Price is rejecting the 4-hour fair value gap at the moment right here. So we're going to be watching this. If price inverses this 4-hour fair value gap, then we could see higher highs, right? But I do believe that we have low resistance liquidity right here coming up as it took out what I notated yesterday. Here, there was low resistance liquidity raid that I thought that it could take out, and my initial target was here at the bottom of this 4-hour fair value gap, and I said, okay, it could hit that in the next couple days, but no, it hit it in literally 15 minutes, which is insane. And this is due to earnings and Google talking about doing dividends and stuff like that. So with all of that in mind, we have a divergence right now. So we're going to be focusing on NQ. My area of interest is going to be these equal lows right here. If there is an entry in like a fair value gap or an order block where I can start shorting, then I'm going to take it down to this area. Okay. There are also equal lows down here that price can take. Okay. So these are all areas of interest for me. So yeah, let's just sit and wait. I entered this position ahead of the 10 o'clock news and even before 9:30 open because I had a pretty good conviction of price dumping to my area of interest. I did try to scalp two minis where I did lose about 250 on one position and made that back and actually profited, and I'm not going to do that anymore. That was pretty risky. That kind of behavior I need to kind of just stop. But right now, I am in a short of 3 micro contracts, which is within my risk tolerance of $200 per position. So I'll just share with you why I entered this. It's because of this order block right here. This entire order block was gained, and I did believe that when price rejected here, this was an area of weakness for price to head back down. I could be completely wrong, but I do believe that price is pretty weak at the moment, and I'm using this order block as a reference point where price could reject from. Okay, the reason why I'm using this order block is because this is where the candle that news came out from, and the 50% level is here. It's in the midpoint, and 7:30 open is here. So this wasn't the ICT 2022 entry model. This wasn't the silver bullet model. This is something that I'm just kind of I don't want to say testing, but looking at to see where I can find other entries. So it's not my strategy basically, and I'm going to be trying. I'm going to try to be trading my strategy moving forward. This is something that I'm just kind of playing around with. All right, so let's just see how this works out. All right, we got 9:30 open now. Price is moving down. This is a good sign. Let's see if it hits my area of interest. I gotta remove these lines. Alright, so price is actually coming down into my point of interest. Let's see how Top Step is doing. Top Step is doing okay. I'm gonna scale my stop loss. Okay, Looking good so far. Apex, funded account, scaling my stop down to the top of here. Oh no, it's coming back up. Could just stop me out. Alright, so I had to take profits there. So I'm at $69. Not bad. Let's see what happens here. I rushed into this short here. I saw this as a manipulation move up to take out previous day's highs and some buy side liquidity. So I entered here on the way back down. My stop loss is going to be 81 ticks, so that's about $120 stop loss. I had to lower my stop because I tried to enter some other scalps and now my account was down, but currently we are in the green. This position is yielding some great returns at the moment. I am trying to take this down for 16R. This is my original point of interest here. This is also previous day's liquidity point, so I think this is PM low, this area, these equal lows right here. I am going to be scaling my stop soon, so hopefully we'll see what price, we'll see how price delivers. Actually, the 4-hour candle looks pretty bullish. We gotta wait and see what this does here. There is a gap here. Okay, yeah, we just gotta wait and see. This price does look bullish. It rebalanced this inefficiency here perfectly, I think, within the 50 fib. Yeah. So y'all see how it wicked perfectly into the 50 fib of this fair value gap, and price just bounced up. This is this has bullish signatures in it, so I think we're on the wrong side of the trade. We see somewhat of a market structure shift, but we'll see. This is a bit iffy. That right there is a little bit iffy. It did break this inverse, this IFEG here on the 1 minute. So I am expecting some downside, but I'm not sure. If it hits my stop, it hits my stop. It's fine. Seems like price is very bearish. Can't tell though. What is going on? Profits there, because I feel like my micro position is going to be stopped out. Yep, micro position stopped out. I think we are headed up. We are bullish. I think at least up to this 1 hour fair value gap. Okay, so right now my account is down 147. I was able to hedge the loss. We'll see what price does now. Let's just wait and see. Trying for a long here. I'm seeing bullish price behavior. There's an order block right here on the 5 minute that price decided to hit and then come back up. Also in line with the 1 minute, there's an imbalance that price came into. Volume imbalance that price wicked into and going back up. This gray box is a 1 hour fair value gap that price came above. It may use this median on the lower time frame as support. So I'm willing to take this risk. This is not a large risk right now. This is a 99 tick stop loss. So it's about $150 risk. Watch me be wrong. But I am only targeting about like 1.6 R. So the reason why I'm targeting that is that's right in line with this 15-minute fair value gap right here. It's at the top. So we're going to see what price does there. And price is definitely coming down. I need to stop rushing into trades, actually. It's been my downfall these days. So we'll see what price does here. I may just cut this short. No. GG. Alright, I wanted to show y'all a position that I was in that puts me on tilt all the time. Is when I enter a great position, entry is good, everything's looking good, and it freaking reverses on me. So I was up like 2 something over here. I was targeting these lows and completely reversed on me. So I'm not sure what market is doing. It's most likely going to stop me out because I didn't want to lose more than this amount. You know, it is what it is. That's just how it goes. Oh my gosh, I scalped a lot today. Took way too many trades. Right now, portfolio is down about 415 with this position. I'm also in a micro ES position. I'm risking like $50 or something, like $55 on this trade. I entered this trade as a silver bullet entry, and it just doesn't look like anything's going our way today. But we'll see. We'll see. It is 3:26 on a Friday afternoon. It could completely waterfall down, or completely, or it could completely run up. We'll see. Today's just not our day. Just not our day. I'll remove all of this. Can't see nothing. You know what? I'm going to take profits for 2.6 R. Actually, it wasn't even 2.6 R. It was like 1.93 R. MES is gone. Thank you. Thank you for that. Oh, gosh. This is the mental fatigue that you experience when you're trading sometimes. I'm noticing that Michigan consumer sentiment, red folder these days are not great days to trade. Oh man, I think leading up to it is okay, but then like after it, price is just wacky. All right, this is gonna come down to the wire. This is wild. It's like so close to getting stopped out. We have 30 seconds left till market close. I wonder what market's gonna do. Yep. All right, I'm done. I'm not messing with this anymore. I'm down $86.14. Better than being down $700 at one point when I was. That was insane. I was down $732. Well, that's without fees. With fees, I was down $886.19. Wow, market's tanking right now. I'm going to sell. I just realized I sold a mini. What am I doing? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I need to walk away. Alright, y'all. Today's not the best day. 58 total trades because I was scalping basically all day, and that one mistake that I just made, I thought I was trading one micro down. I hit one mini down. So bad. Anyways, $289 loss for the day. Let me know how y'all did. Not a great day. It's okay though. I'm glad that this is the weekend, so I can just take a couple days to just mentally detox from this emotional garbage that I let myself get into. But yeah, I'll catch y'all next week. I was actually able to bring this back up to 246.66 total. But you know, this is a prime example as to why you don't just FOMO into trades. I didn't mean to enter this mini. I shouldn't have done it anyway. But yeah, this is where we are now, 246.66. All right, catch y'all next week.